Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we learn how to crochet such a beautiful fun bag. This is the first video. There are 3 videos in total. We use such a bottom with 24 holes, diameter is 90 millimeters, and use such cloth strap. At the beginning we use the 4 millimeters hook. To short crochet into the 3rd holes. In such a rule, go to the end of this round. At last, 1 short crochet into the 1st hole. Mark on the last stitch. Now we get 32 stitches. From now change to 5 millimeters hook. Slip into the 1st stitch. Chain 1 as the beginning of the 2nd round. Mark the first stitch. The purple mark is the last stitch of the last round. From the second stitch, hook goes into the middle of the V. Back as that. From now, short crochet stitch one by one. Repeat to the end. Here is the last stitch. Still mark the last stitch. Slip into the first stitch of this round. Chain 1 at the beginning of next round. Now the first stitch of the third round. Mark it. Into the same stitch, 1 unfinished short crochet. Skip 1 stitch. Into the bottom of the third stitch. Please watch the video carefully. Then yarn through the 3 loops together. That's one group. The second group, hook goes into the third stitch. And into the same stitch, 1 unfinished short crochet. Skip 1 and into the bottom of next stitch.
That's the
Repeat to the
second
end.
group. One time more, please watch the video carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now we have 15 groups. Only the last one. Tick off the mark. Short crochet first as usual. Then in the same stitch, unfinished short crochet. Find the bottom of the first stitch. The last stitch goes into here. Now the last group be finished. 16 groups in total. Mark the last stitch. At last, slip into the first stitch. Now the third round be closed. Thanks for your accompany. Unfinished. Please go to next video.